Hello there, I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to show you how to protect your paperback books with Demco's CircExtender Rigid Cover 4. There are a few supplies you'll need: a pen or pencil, ruler, paper trimmer or scissors, squeegee, and of course, front and back Demco CircExtender sheets. Let's start with the back sheet. It's the shorter one without the flap. Set the sheet paper side up. Place the book all the way into the top left corner and a ½ inch over the edge. Now mark the bottom and right edge of the book. Demco CircExtender rigid covers come in multiple sizes and fit books up to 13 inches high by 11 inches wide. Moving on to the front sheet, the larger one with the spine flap. Again, place the book a ½ inch into the spine flap. Mark the book's right and bottom edges. Using a paper trimmer, insert one sheet paper side up. Line up the guide with your pen mark and slide the blade across and cut. Now trim the other sheet. For a clean, non-jagged cut, use a sharp blade or scissors. If using a paper trimmer, slide the blade from the top to the bottom. All right, time to apply the back sheet. Just grab the easy peel edge on the left and pull. Match up the book's left corner with the sheet. Line up the rest of the book's edges with the Demco CircExtender sheet and press down lightly. Looks good. Use your squeegee to smooth down the sheet. If you want to reposition a Demco CircExtender sheet, do it quickly to avoid book damage. Let's apply the front sheet. Peel off the spine flap only. Without removing the rest of the backing, line up the front sheet with the book's front cover. Wrap the flap around the spine and press down. Peel off the remaining liner and place it over the book's front cover. Perfect. Use the squeegee to smooth everything out. Got an air bubble? Take a pin and poke a hole in the bubble. Press inward toward the hole with a squeegee. And you're done! Demco CircExtender Rigid Cover 4 makes protecting your collection easy.